Hello everyone! Today I just wanted to show everybody the flooding that's happening in my area right now. This is Bryant Park that I'm at. And right now there's a huge waterfall just pumping water into this park. We've had a lot of rainfall recently, so it's coming all the way up here. Goes all the way around. Right there, that's a sign that says wear it, and it's about life jackets. Says no parking, do not block, but really it's just blocking water. This used to be a road. And then we come around here and it's just water all the way up here. I don't know if you can see that white bag in the distance. That's garbage just floating down the river. And then there's a house. I believe that used to be the bathroom. Just the top of the bathroom. And then you come around here and you can see some of the, I don't know if you can see through the trees. So there's the lighting for the field, soccer field. So there is where the soccer field used to be. There's no way to get into the park at all. The whole park is flooded. This is a really big park. So let me back you out a little bit. So to give you an idea, here is all the flooding. It's just muddy brown water everywhere as far as you can see, all the way around. Bring you down here. It's Bryant Park. All flooding. The house. Bring it down here. I don't know if you can see, but that blue is another building that looks like it's tipping because of the water. There is the scoreboard. And then down here it says high water, road closed. And then right where it says one way, do not enter, that used to be a road as well to go into the park to get to this whole area, which used to be our park. So that is everything. I'm about to head to another park in our area that is flooded as well. So I will make a separate video for that one if you want to see it. Everybody's coming down to see all the flooding because this is quite huge. Really quickly, just wanted to show you how much water is really pumping into this park right now. It's just a lot. So we are under a flood warning right now and hoping that it doesn't reach downtown and the neighborhoods. We're supposed to get more rain today, and then we will see what happens. So there you go. All right, see you guys in the next video.